Okay, guys, so I show you this first not to brag or boast or anything like that, but just to kind of show you that we actually walk the walk and talk the talk. So you can see in the last 30 days, this is just for one client account, and you can see that we spent just under a quarter million in ad spend, and we generated just under 3,000 long form pre qualified booked appointments for motor vehicle accident leads who are recent, within statute of limitation, do not currently have representation, have not received a settlement, and are qualified based on our client's criteria. So to kind of show you how we're doing this, essentially it all starts with either a Facebook ad, an Instagram ad, or a YouTube ad. And to show you what one of those looks like, let's flip over here and you can see that we qualify very aggressively right off the bat. So directly in our ad copy, so on the words that you see on the screen, you can see that we're calling out people who are injured in a car accident. Literally, the first five words qualify the prospect to make sure that they are injured in a car accident, and it gets them to read further by kind of invoking some hope. So maybe eligible for what they want the most, right? Significant compensation. And then it lists off some more qualifying parameters. So the accident had to be caused by the other driver. So very specific here, obviously. Again, we're very aggressive in qualifying. And you can see here a very succinct call to action with click learn more to see if you qualify today. It only takes 30 seconds. And you can see down here, the headline reads, how much is a car accident case worth? So again, invoking some type of curiosity to get them to click. Now, again, if you see this ad and you were recently injured in a car accident, there's just no way you're not going to click on this ad. And again, it also kind of educates you and lets you know that you're only eligible for your injuries if this, and this happened. Okay. So that's the front end of the ad. If someone is interested in an ad like this or interested in this offer, this solution, they'll click on the ad, in which case they'll get redirected to what's called a landing page, which is simply the page that someone lands on after they click on an ad. And you'll notice that the page is very simple. It has a very basic headline here. And we also educate the prospect through what's called an advertorial. So we want them to, again, qualify themselves, and we want them to really position your firm as kind of the go-to source to get what they deserve for their pain and suffering. And that's kind of exactly what this blurb here does. Again, just kind of educating them and really just indoctrinating them to your brand, what you can expect or what they can expect if they inquire, and how to inquire. So you can see here, take this 60-second qualification and find out. And then we're going to ask a series of qualifying questions. So how are you hurt? When did the accident or injury occur? Do you currently have an attorney? Was the accident your fault? Have you received a settlement? We also leave a short free response question as well, which kind of we found to also increase the intent of our prospects coming into the funnel. Sample purposes here. And if they qualify, we're going to give this prospect the opportunity to book a call directly within the funnel. Okay, and this is only if they qualify. Okay, so since I answered the questionnaire appropriately and I do qualify, it's going to prompt me to schedule a time for my free 15-minute case evaluation, and it kind of prompts them for what to expect on the call. And then this will be based on your Google Calendar, so you can set your own availability there, and then the appointments will come through directly to your calendar. And then just so you can kind of see what that looks like, and obviously we can kind of set up your calendar how you see fit, but essentially these are all of your pre-booked appointments for essentially people that are interested in getting a consultation for their free case evaluation. So again, I just wanted to make you this quick video and give you a brief overview and kind of show you how the process works. Ultimately, with the end goal being to get the prospect to book a scheduled call on your calendar so that we move you guys as close to the sale, as close to the case as possible. Okay. So again, any questions on this, guys, feel free to reach out, and I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.